doesn't it?
Ready. Imagine living in that building, just seeing that flying by every day. I could probably do it. Probably get used to it. You can put it used to it and put you asleep. Probably. No guarantees though. So one thing I haven't really, well, I don't want to say I haven't experienced it with my bike, but I noticed a lot of people complain about the bucking or the surging down low and the lower RPMs. I've been riding my bike for, I don't know, probably like 40 or 45 minutes now, so it's well warmed up, but I really don't get too much of that bucking or surging unless I'm trying to ride in my neighborhood, like going home from work, and it's only a 15 mile an hour speed limit, so I try to ride it in second gear, and sometimes it wants to, like, you know, bump, 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 and surge a little bit. But usually at 17 miles an hour in second gear, I have no problems at all. So yeah, I do have full acrobatic headers with the stock end can, and I also went ahead and installed a Rapid Bike Easy to help with the fueling. And I don't know if it was the Rapid Bike Easy that's helped me out down low, but honestly I haven't had any problems with the surging, other than if I was in the wrong gear going too slow, and I'll try to show you all some more, but I really don't have that problem with the down low surge or with a full exhaust system on my 2017 BMW S1000R. Nice bike. Pretty rock solid idle. You can see the tack moving a little bit, kind of wanders, but the bike doesn't feel lumpy or crazy, even when it's cold or warm. Some more steel plates. Out of your mind. I was with you at that time. Ooh. Thank you very much for not pulling into my lane. Which way do I want to go home? Oh my God, lady, drive your car. Ohana.